How to perform well during the exam. Guys, you must have seen that many cricketers get out at 99. Sachin Tendulkar used to get out at 99 so many times. When players are playing the World Cup final match, they are also in so much pressure that they are not able to perform well in that situation. And guys, NEET PG 2022 will be like this only. You will be at 99, you will be just one run away from the 100. Okay, you will be playing your World Cup final match. And guys, Virender Sehwag once asked Sadhguru, how can you perform well in this situation? You have the pressure of the crowd, you have the pressure of your family, you have the pressure of the coach. And the same is with you guys. You have the pressure of the family, you have the pressure of the friends. How can you perform well? Guys, when you will see a question that you are not able to answer, so many thoughts will come into your mind. हो मेरा होगा अच्छा, मेरा एग्ज़ाम नहीं अच्छा जा रहा, बाकी क्वेश्चंस मुझे आते होंगे, विल आई नो अदर क्वेश्चंस, if I don't do well, my life will be ruined. Such questions comes during the exam. And Sadhguru replied to Virender Sehwag, if you have to do well in such situations, you don't have to think about anything else. You just need to focus on the ball. So guys, in the main exam, you just need to focus on the question. Focus on reading the question very well. Focus on reading the options very well. If you don't know any question, don't take too much pressure about it. Just try to answer the best option that you know. Okay, don't worry if you are not knowing any answer. Okay, so in the main exam, just try to focus on the question and cancel out all other thoughts, whether it is related to some pressure of some kind, whether it is related to too much anxiety because you are not able to answer few questions. This can happen. The first 10-15 questions that you may be answering, that you may be solving, you might not be knowing the first 20 questions, but still guys, you have to maintain your calm. You have to maintain your calm, and you just need to focus on giving your best by solving the questions rightly, by reading the questions rightly, and thinking about the best answer, right? And guys, don't forget to answer all the questions. Okay, final tip, attempt all the questions. Don't leave 20 questions, 30 questions. If you do that, you are already out. Okay, so believe in me, if you have been following me, just follow this tip blindly. Answer all the questions. If you don't know any question, answer that question as B, right? So guys, all the best for your NEET PG exam. You are going to do well. Your results, you have worked throughout the year, and this is going to bring good results for you guys. So bye bye guys, take care, keep working hard.